Hi guys, I have come to Yelagiri. As you know, it's day 2 here, and I have come to Murugan temple that is located nearby my hotel room. Let's go there and check it out. Guys, it's a small but a beautiful temple located on top of Yelagiri hills. This temple is surrounded by huge mountains and many resorts. If you are visiting Yelagiri, please try to visit this temple. It will give you some positive vibe and some positive energy. That too, if the temperature is good, you will really enjoy the visit and you will have a great time at this temple. I really like the temple. I visited the temple on a wedding anniversary. So we had a peaceful darshan and a wonderful time with the family members. As it was some auspicious day, they arranged for some special puja at this temple, and some of the devotee arranged for some prasadam, sweet prasadam also. I stood in the line and got some prasadam for the family and my kid. On the whole, it was a pleasant time I had with the family members. It would be a memorable day for me. I finished the darshan and left the place. See you on the next video.